Hello everyone, today I got this IPSY beauty box which I'm very excited to open right now. I want to say that in January it got a bit late. I was expecting it in the first days of January for New Year's, but I got it quite late. It's practically the end of the month. So firstly I want to show you this so beautiful bag for cosmetics. So let's see what we have this month from IPSY. So here is this brochure with the things I got this month. So let's see and let's read. So this is the cleanser. So it's for the face. It's very simple product. I think everyone knows how to use it. What's this? Beautiful Brook USA. So this is the lip balm. Oh, so interesting. I will see this one. Then we have, this is the nail polish. Oh, so nice color. It's like navy, dark blue. Very, very nice. What else? This is tiny, teeny tapered brush. Oh, that's so nice. It's really, really tiny. Oh, it's so cute packaging. Oh, that's nice. Oh, so tiny and so cute. It's like for the bag, I think. That's really, really nice. So what else do we have here? It's ultra hydrating cream. That's nice. It's for the face, I guess. So very interesting box. Thank you for watching and keep tuned for the next videos. See you.